Syracuse has lost one of its own. Arthur Jones has passed away. He starred at Syracuse from 2005 to 2009 and was drafted by the Baltimore Ravens in 2010. Jones played 8 years in the NFL and helped the Ravens win Super Bowl 47, making a sack and recovering a fumble in the game. At Syracuse, he recorded 38.5 tackles for loss, the most ever for an inside defensive lineman at the school, and earned 3 All-Big East honors. He also played for Indianapolis and Washington. After retiring, he stayed close to the program and supported young players. Coaches and the athletic director remember him for his kindness and leadership. Our thoughts are with his family and loved ones. Rest in peace, Arthur Jones. Follow for more updates.